Oil change on this Honda Civic 2011 8th generation. First up, we need to raise it up. These are lifting points. You can also put jack stands in the frame rails for safety. They are meant to be used in pair. Remove the oil cap so the air can escape while flushing it. The tools that you are going to need are a ratchet or wrench. It has to be 17 mm. An oil filter wrench and a tray to catch the old oil. The car has 3.9 quarts of oil, so make sure it is big enough to store more than that. Once you are under it, look up for the drawing plug. In this car's oil pan is an arrow pointing to the drain plug. The oil filter is in front of it. I didn't show this part, but you have to remove the drain plug and the oil filter to flush the old oil. After 5 minutes, put the filter back in the car and put a small layer of oil in the filter gasket. Then put the filter back again and don't use the filter pliers because you can damage the filter, instead hand tight it. After that, put the drain plug back in. Make sure that you don't tight this too much because you can damage the oil pan. Now we have to fill the engine with oil. Make sure to use say 5W20 as the lid indicates. Use a synthetic blend. And if your car has over 75 feet 000 miles, make sure to use the high mileage one because this comes with special additives that will help and improve your vehicle life. The captivity is of 3.9 quarts, but make sure you check the oil dipstick to make sure you don't overflow or underfill it. The oil has to be in between these 2 points. Also check your vehicle's oil once a week to detect leaks or burned oil that needs to be replaced. The last thing to do is to reset the oil life in the car's dashboard. To do this, you have to go to the oil life menu by clicking the reset button. Then you have to press the reset button until the dashboard starts flashing. When it starts flashing, release the reset button. When it starts flashing, you would have to press the reset button again and wait until the oil life goes to 100%. After doing that, you have successfully changed the oil. Thanks for watching, and if it was helpful, like the video. Also comment if I missed something, or if there is something extra that you want to know.